This video tutorial I will explain how to get and select the collection and read the range of documents using Java program. Here you can see order database. It has product collection, and product collection has 3 documents. From these 3 documents, I want to get the documents where price is more than 10,000. We will see how to do that. If you see, there are 2 documents whose price is more than 10,000. We will see how to get these 2 documents. Here I have defined a class read range of documents. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using a Mongo client constructor which accepts host name and port number. Then I am calling get database method of Mongo client object and passing database name as order. This method returns order database object. Then I am calling get collection method of order database object and passing collection name as product. This method returns product collection object. Here I am calling a find method of product collection object, and here I am mentioning the price of the document should be greater than or equal to 10,000, and this method returns find iterable object, and then I am calling iterator method of find iterable object, and it returns Mongo cursor object, and this while loop I am getting each document which satisfy this particular criteria and displaying that. And here I got 2 documents where price is greater than or equal to 10,000. So in this document the price is 70,000, and in this document price is 80,000. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.